Very important and key point. We are investigating the incidents, but we are limited to immediate causes. Those are linked with the site workers, the junior people. But we are not going to dig deep and to disclose the underlying and the root causes, where definitely the involvement of senior management, and that is the real cause of all workplace accidents. If we are unable to find the underlying and root causes, there is no use of immediate causes, or there is no benefit of issuing warning letters or even terminating the site workers. That's why investigation and follow-up procedures are very important, and these are linked with again the senior management, and especially with the senior management from health and safety department. Dear friends and fellows, when we are working in an organization, we are working under certain rules and regulations. One of the major cause of workplace accident is non-compliance with safety regulations that can lead to workplace accidents due to various reasons. Firstly, regulations are often designed to establish minimum standards for safety and risk management, and failure to adhere to these standards can result in hazardous conditions that increase the likelihood of accidents. Additionally, regulatory requirements often outline specific procedures for mitigating risks and ensuring safe work practices. When these requirements are ignored or overlooked, it creates opportunities for accidents to occur. Moreover, regulatory agencies typically conduct inspections and audits to verify compliance, and non-compliance can result in penalties or fines. In some cases, organizations may prioritize cost savings or operational efficiency over compliance, leading to shortcuts or compromises in safety measures, which can ultimately contribute to workplace accidents. In all cases, you have to comply with site safety regulations, local or international, because it is only for the benefit of the organization. Management is the beneficiary, and every project can make better progress if they are going to follow regulations, safety rules, and safe working procedures. Otherwise, if management will not show their interest, they will not make their involvement, they will not prove their commitment, there is no value for regulations. And what is the end? A workplace accident. The last point, again, very important point, the absence of hazard reporting mechanisms. If there is a difficult, ambiguous, and complicated reporting system, there are more chances of incidents and accidents. Let us learn how. The absence of hazard reporting mechanisms in the workplace can have serious consequences, as it creates a significant gap in the organization's ability to identify and address potential risks effectively. Without established channels for employees to report hazards or near misses, critical safety issues may remain unrecognized, leaving workers and the organization vulnerable to accidents. Moreover, the lack of a formal reporting system can foster a culture where employees feel discouraged or fearful about speaking up about safety concerns, leading to underreporting and a false sense of security. As a result, hazards may persist unchecked, increasing the likelihood of incidents and injuries occurring. Additionally, without a structured mechanism for reporting and documenting hazards, the organization may struggle to gather essential data for risk assessments and proactive safety measures, further compromising its ability to prevent accidents. You can see how important is the hazard reporting system or mechanism. Dear friends and fellows, in summary, I would like to say workplace accidents often happen because of management decisions and actions. This includes things like not having clear rules and procedures, and not providing enough resources for safety, and not paying attention to past mistakes. When management doesn't prioritize safety or encourage reporting of hazards, it increases the chances of accidents. That's why it's crucial for managers to focus on creating a safe work environment, safety culture, making sure everyone knows what to do to stay safe, and learning from accidents to prevent them in the future. By following or taking these steps, managers can protect their employees from harm and keep the workplace safe and productive. I hope this topic is well clear for you now, that how management leading to workplace incidents and accidents. This is beneficial for you when you are investigating incidents or accidents. For now, that's all. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and share the video. Hope to see you soon with a new HSC tutorial. Until then, take care. Good luck and goodbye.